Good morning, everybody. We are here, 41 degrees outside. It's rainy. It is not good. I don't know when this weather's gonna break, but we've got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat, baby. Mr. Normus, what's going on, man? How you doing? Nick F, good morning to you. Dark Bro, John J, Dark Bro, C to it, J Bones, man. Thank you very much, J Bones. You know what I'm gonna do? J Bones, I'm gonna pin that one for you to the top of the screen because J Bones throwing the Twitch out there. If you guys want to follow over on the Twitch screen, I don't even know where to see my stream over on Twitch. It's ridiculous. All right, I think that's it right there. Jay Dizzle, first in the chat over there. Jay Dizzle, man, thank you very much for pinning this message. So, what's the next Pepe? Anybody ever heard of Jerry? No use case, but another fun meme token, supposedly. We'll look at Jerry, CD Wit. I have not heard of Jerry. Good afternoon, bro. Tony D, what's going on, man? AQST, $1 billion Suboxone deal. Ape, love Ape. Very nice. WTF is Twitch. Twitch, dude. You don't know what Twitch is? That streaming website? That's what Twitch is. What are we looking at here? Oh, Bed Bath & Beyond getting Bed Bath & destroyed today. After being delisted and moving over to the over-the-counter stocks, it is down, 10% on the day, 6.7 cents right now. It was down to 4 cents this morning. Yeah, down to 4 cents this morning, coming back down 10% of the day, 6.7 cents right now. Bed Bath & Beyond not looking too good. We get AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, guys. AMC is sitting at $5.71. It is up 3.73% of the day. Shiba Inu coin, my goodness, man. Who would have ever thought Shiba Inu coin would be barcoding the way that it is? Shib sitting at 986 points per coin. GameStop sitting at 1883 at the moment. It is up 1.32%. Bitcoin relentless. Bitcoin bouncing back off of its recent dip, sitting at $28,320. $28,655. I don't even know what it's doing. What's going on with this graph right here? 28,319 is where Bitcoin is at, down 1.28% on the day. The NASDAQ. Ooh, the NASDAQ. Not sure what old Jerome Powell is going to be saying today, so we're going to have to watch Jerome Powell and his interest rate decision. Nonetheless, we've got Ethereum sitting at 1854. Shiba Inu coin 986 with some barcode action. Dogecoin hitting the jackpot 7777 baby. Dogecoin looking at a lucky number right there. Bitcoin sitting at 28,317. Mullen Auto 8.5 cents. Very volatile. Watch out for that one. Sundial sitting at $1.55. CEI $1.27. No action whatsoever. The SPY sitting at 411, BBAG 1659, Highcroft Mining 42 cents. It's up 10%, guys. Netflix sitting at 320, QQQ 319, and Ape sitting at $1.54, and then MPW at the top sitting at $8.38. Let's look at the QQQ real quick on the daily, man, because this is going to be interesting. If Jerome Powell comes out with some good news today, guys, we could be breaking out and testing this area all the way up at 330 before we get to the next level of resistance. So it's going to be very interesting to see what old Jerome Powell has to say today, because the market could break out to the upside, and that would be very nice for the QQQ. So we're going to keep our eyes on that for sure. I'm way behind. Twitch came out 2011, and I just started hearing about it last week. Tony D, you might be a little bit behind on that one, yes. Hey, brethrens, what's going on, Kombu? Oh, yeah, today is that day. JP about to destroy the market. You know what, Jerome Powell could absolutely destroy the market. You are correct on that one. I'm hoping that he does not destroy the market, but it does seem like he does want to destroy the market. Every time that man opens his mouth, we see negative price action. I'm hoping today it is different. I really don't know what Jerome Powell could say that would be negative. The last inflation report was good news. The last employment report was good news. It's very strange to me that one, we're expecting an interest rate increase, and two, we would get an interest rate increase. So we're gonna have to see what he says. I'm just gonna sit here and wait, man. I'm not gonna make any predictions on it. we're just going to sit here and wait and see what Jerome Powell says at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock Eastern time is the inflation or interest rate decision. And then 2:30 Eastern time is the press conference. So that's what we're going to be looking at today around those time frames. I want maximum buying opportunity now, but I'm finally getting some money. There you go. Dark Bro, man. That's when the buying opportunities need to come into play. Maximum buying opportunity means the bottom of the bottom. That's what I want to see too, man. I want to see the bottom of the bottom end so that we can finally see some gains coming across. We can finally see some sort of an economic recovery coming across. And let me just say this, dude. They better get their act together and at least throw a little economic recovery in there if they want to have any hope of a re-election campaign, because dude, I don't know who is celebrating the economy right now. On either side of the fence, I don't know who could possibly be celebrating the economy right now. Hey, Clay, have you checked out SUI? SUI, I have not, but I did see, I believe SUI was just listed on KuCoin, and it was the #1 gainer. So we could look at Jerry, and we could look at SUI. That is Dex Tools right there. But let's see what we've got in Jerry. Is it this one? Oh my gosh, dude, I'm telling you. 40% gains, man. You gotta love these gains. Jerry Inu, ladies and gentlemen, over the last week, looking very nice, going from way too many zeros to way less many zeros. Over the last month, this coin's been on for a while. All right. Going wild lately. I don't even want to count all those zeros. Like, look how many zeros there are. It has not been out for 3 months. So it came out at the beginning of April. And this is what I like to see, guys. This is what I like to see. Jerry, following along with all of the other meme coin hype that we've been seeing here. I didn't know about Jerry. It is a Binance Smart Chain coin, so it doesn't have the Ethereum gas fees out there. But you can see it running. And I don't know if it's burning zeros or not. It does look like it burned at least 1 zero, which means this is a 15x gain right here. Minimum 15x gain that you would have seen from here to here just since April, 23rd? So, yeah, you got some good gains in Jerry. If you guys want to check it out, it's currently got a $5 million market cap, $500,000 being traded. Please be aware, though, any of these coins are risky. Higher risk, higher reward, absolutely, but they are risky indeed. Where we at here? SUI. I've actually been looking at prices that they can use to calculate CPI, and there are things that have gone up, not down, especially gas, even though that's not part of that, according to them anyway. Yeah, dude, you go out there and you look at groceries, right? There's no way we're only looking at a 5% increase in prices over the last year. Like, CPI is a stone-faced lie, man. You go to a restaurant, way more than 5%. You go to the grocery store, way more than 5%. Your rent is probably way more than 5% higher. You're looking at fees now. If you got good credit, you're looking at almost a 5% fee so that you can help people with no credit or less responsible, bad credit. So there's a lot of expenses, a lot of fees, and people are paying way more than 5% over the year. So I know the CPI is a lie. SUI. Let's look at SUI. I think this is I don't know if this is the one or not. Is this the one that we're looking at here? I don't know if this is it or not, man. But if this is which one? Let me look at and see which one was on KuCoin. Yeah, it is that one, but it says it's up 1,200%. This says it's down, so I honestly have no idea what the graph for SUI is supposed to look like. KuCoin's saying it's way up. CoinMarketCap is saying it's way down. So I actually have no idea what's going on with SUI right here. Kombu, man, shed some light on SUI for us. Hey Clay, took your advice on Pepe and did a 200x short. Totally wrecked, dude. Well, I don't think that I recommended you 200x shorting Pepe there. But yeah, I can imagine you would get totally wrecked if you 200x shorted anything. Because, look, dude, if you're 200x leveraging, I'm pretty sure you leave yourself room for like a 0.5% move, okay? And with any leverage, you add a lot of risk because trading is difficult in and of itself. But when you begin to trade on leverage, let's say you just want to go in there and buy SUI, okay? If you go buy SUI and it goes down and you're not on leverage, okay, well, you're just going to be down on your trade for a little while. Nothing's going to happen. You can average down later if you want. You can add more to your position and so on. If you, let's say, 2x leverage, well, if SUI comes down 50%, now you're bust. You busted your margin account and they close out your trade. If you 10x leverage, you can only afford a 10% decline before your entire trade busted your margin. Let's say you 100x leverage. If you 100x leverage, you can only afford a 1% decline because that 1% becomes a 100% decline. Therefore, you guarantee that it has to be the perfect entry. I don't know where you even 200x at, but if you 200x, you would only be able to afford a 0.5% move. And I'm telling you right now, dude, a 0.5% move in anything like Pepe is nuts. That's you're timing it. Boom, either win or lose right there. Win or lose right there. Yeah, so I imagine you could have got wrecked. Let's see. Good bro, take a look at Loop Network when you can. Absolutely, my credit swings back and forth from 795 to 805. Hey, that's good, dude. 795 to 805 is a good credit score, man. So yeah, roulette wheel. You're probably one of those dudes that's going to be paying an additional fee for everybody that has a lower credit score. I actually don't know where the cutoff was, but I imagine 805 will definitely incur you a beautiful fee for being responsible with your credit. Congratulations to you, roulette wheel. You get to pay for everybody else. Loop Network. Loop Network right here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's look at Loop Network. It is down 15% of the day, 8.4 cents right now. Over the last month, it has been coming down nicely from that 24-cent mark. Dark Bro could be getting ready to enter. Dark Bro, dude, look, as it's coming down here, and it's right here, I don't even know if I'd enter yet, man. I might let it fall back down to this 3-cent mark, dude. So be careful. It's up to you. But obviously a much stronger level of support. Wow, dude, 3 cents in this area, but you could even come back down to 1 cent. So watch Loop Network. Don't be afraid to average down. Don't go in too heavy on it. It does seem to be a very volatile coin, rolling from 0.2 cents all the way up to 24 cents. So it has definitely been moving. That's a 100x gain over a year. 0.2 cents to 24 cents. It's a 100x gain, dude. So please be careful with it. But yes, Loop Network is coming back down and getting pretty cheap in price. Always waiting on a check and can't capitalize on these buying opportunities. And when my money hits, the stuff's in the green. A JP gonna crush. And I don't have no dry powder. Dude, I don't want Jerome Powell to crush the market today. I want the market to go up today. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat, Patrick. Really appreciate it, man. Let's get the volume up there so we can hear these super chats. Patrick says, Dark Bro is first. Dilly dilly to my boy Dark Brilly. Oh yeah. Thank you very much for the super chat, Pat. 9,906 remaining. Really appreciate it. And I do see over in the Twitch chat, we got boom, Pika high-fiving right there. Love it, Jerry. That's from the 90s, Jerry. Dude, didn't Jerry Springer just pass away, man? I hope. This is like not bad. Like, guys, I hope I don't like. I mean this with every good intention possible. I hope at Jerry's funeral, dude, they were out there. Jerry. Dude, if I, like, suddenly just was gone, man, you guys better be saying, let's get started. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. So if you guys attend my funeral, please don't be afraid to say, let's get started. Just the same way that I hope they were saying, Jerry. I mean, it's the dude's thing, man. It launched at 10 cents this morning, went up to $4.50. Oh my god. Oh jeez, dude. Yeah, that would be why, Kombu. That would be why it's the #1 gainer on KuCoin right now. Holy moly, dude. 10 cents, 45xing up to $4.50 and coming back down to $1. Wow, you're still making 10x gains, even if you held it from those highs. Jameson Saudinho, what's going on? Fala, Clayzera, quanto tempo? Yes, muito tempo, tudo firmeza, yes. Talk about Voyager payout, please. Jameson, how have you been, man? It has been a very long time. All right, so to quickly go over what the Voyager payout is going to look like. Binance has backed out of the deal. It was a $1.2 or $1.3 billion deal for Binance to buy all of Voyager's deposits and move them over to the Binance platform. Because the Binance does not like United States anymore, and the United States does not like Binance, Binance said, no thank you. We are not going to go through all of this regulatory scrutiny here in the U.S. So Binance stepping back. Next steps. I don't know what the timeline looks like, okay? But you know how much you have claim to. You can see that in the app. I believe Binance was supposed to give us around 70% of our claim. Now, Voyager has stated that if you did not accept the Binance deal, you were going to receive slightly less directly from Voyager. So I'm just going to guess on this number here, but I am going to say Voyager is most likely going to pay out between 50 and 70% of your claim. So if they owed you $1,000, you're likely to see $500 up to maybe $700 of your claim. If they owed you $100, $50 to maybe $70 is what you can expect. $10,000, you guys can do the math. You know, 50 to 70%. That is a guess based on everything I've read, because Voyager, at least up to what I've read, has not given us an exact amount of what we will receive. The good news is they said that they are going to work as fast as possible to send out checks. So at this point, I really do not know if they are going to give us the opportunity to withdraw our cryptocurrency onto, let's say, a DeFi wallet or not. The next steps are going to be direct payouts from Voyager, and I would imagine that this is going to take place over the next month or so. So you're likely to see 50 to 70% of your claim. And I do believe there could be an option for just a direct withdrawal, and you could withdraw it to another exchange, or you could withdraw it to a DeFi wallet, or they could see a payout. So that's the latest that I've seen, man, is that Voyager, or the Binance, backed out of the Voyager deal, and probably over the next month or so, we are going to be receiving an email that says we can either withdraw or we can have a check sent to us. But nonetheless, man, I would imagine it's going to be in between those numbers there. Every time JP opens his mouth, stuff goes down. Wonder what Vegas odds are. Yeah, I have no idea what the Vegas odds are, but maybe Jerome Powell should just take up sign language. Maybe he should stop opening his mouth and take up sign language. La-pita-pita, la-pita-pita, la-pita-pita-pita-pita. It's Pika, not Pita. Anyway, let's see. Clay, serious question. Whose birthdays fall on today? Tim's birthday is today, and Kenneth's birthday is today. Tim is, what was Tim doing today? Tim said he was going to be in and out of the doctors all day today. I don't think he had surgery or anything today. but he did say that he was going to be at the doctor's all day today, so I do not expect him to be showing up. We sung happy birthday to him yesterday. Kenneth's birthday is also today. I believe Kenneth said he was born in 1979 on this beautiful May day. Tim, born in 1969 on this beautiful May day. So, Tim and... Whoa! Pockets Burrito! Thank you! Pockets friend Burrito. Really appreciate the super chat. Pockets friend Burrito says... La pita pita, la pita pita, la pita 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 pita, la pita 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 pita, la pita pita, la pita pita, la pita 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 pita, la pita 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 pita, la pita pita, la pita pita, la pita 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 pita, la pita 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 pita. Since Pika thought her name was Pita, let's get started. La pita pita, la pita pita, la pita 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 pita. Pockets friend Burrito, thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat and the beautiful shout out to your new friend Pikachu. It's Pikachu, man. That sounds kind of gross, doesn't it? Ew, dude. Pikachu sounds so much better than Pikachu. Pikachu sounds like you're sitting there eating dinner in a Mediterranean restaurant. You're not liking it too much. His eulogy. Well, late again to the stream. Let's get started. No, listen, that would be completely fine with me, man. If you guys were having fun, like, dude, what do you got to be sad for, man? If you guys are having fun, you guys would be on the next stage and ready to go. So, yes, Pat, play it again. Let's get started. I like it, man. I like it. Correction, Clay's early to the stream. Let's get started. Dude, either way, man. Either way, late or early, we better be getting started. Oh, my, you just say, he hodled forever. Boom, and you just put him in the cat. What is he, like this? Holding. He's got like a little Shiba Inu coin under here, like a little Doge coin under here, and he's hodling forever, man. How often does Blaze token burn? Very good question. The famous ones. I actually have no idea. Let's see how often Blaze is. I don't even know what coin it is, man. I'm over here looking at Blaze and I can't find it. I tried to look at Blaze on, oh, you know what I could do? I could probably go out to their Twitter. Let me do that. Let me go out to their Twitter because, that might be an easier way to find it. Now I don't know which one they are. I don't know. I'll have to find that. But what did I miss? I missed Burrito says La Pikachu Burrito. Is that a song? I don't even know if that's a song. Burrito's friends Pikachu. Dude, that's so gross, dude. I don't know why I'm so turned off by that word right there, but Pikachu sounds disgusting to me. Listen, Pikachu, I really like Pikachu, okay? Pikachu's a good one, but I'm starting to get a little concerned about Pikachu, man. I sit here and I'm thinking about a pita. I really like pitas, and I like making homemade pitas as well. And I love the way they taste. I love dipping them down into olive oil, and pitas are delicious. But when I started thinking about Pikachu, it's like, oh man. Number one of my biggest pet peeves is like listening to people chew. It's like the worst thing in the world. I cannot stand it for a second. But I'm thinking about a chewed up pita in my mind, and it's disgusting. Pikachu. I like Pikachu better. Burrito Chew. Thank you very much, Burrito's friend Pikachu. Oh, this is Burrito's friend Pikachu. That is Pikachu. I think that is Pikachu. Burrito's friend Pikachu is Pikachu, right? Yeah. Ew, man. Oh, Burrito's friend Pikachu. I love Pikachu, a burrito. Oh my god. I don't know where you guys are coming up with this stuff, man, but I'm sitting here thinking about a chewed up pita in my mouth. Oh gosh. Michael says, Crypto King, Shib, Blaze Token, Voyager, Pepe Coin, Clay's rarely used Twitter account. It is rarely used, isn't it? Won't let me do a super chat for some reason. Well, you know what? I'll give you a little complimentary fist bump. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Michael, that's because you're the most consistent player in the game, dude. I know if you could do one, you would do one. You can look at Streamlabs, though, if you want to. Let's see. Yep, that's what I won at my funeral too, Pat. I was working on writing down my crypto info in case something happened. My family has no idea what I hold or what to do. They really will. Hodl forever, Tony. They really will. Dude, and then, like, you'll get some genius little great-great-grandson somewhere far along the road. And he's like, oh, my God. Grandpaps Tony D, he had a lot of cryptocurrency. Let's figure this out. The kid's a little nerd, dude. He goes in there, somehow hacks your wallet. He's able to get it out. And all of a sudden, you know, this is like, I don't know, 95 years down the road, dude. And your cryptocurrency is worth billions of dollars. Well, the bad news is the billions of dollars is now would be worth millions of dollars today. So the good news is he's still a multi-millionaire, billionaire in you know, future dollars. But yeah, dude, you're gonna have some little nerd grandkid way down the road that's gonna be able to hack your wallet and get all your crypto out, even if you die prematurely and you are unable to get your cryptocurrency information going. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, for Timmy! Thank you, Kenneth. Keep killing it and stay frosty, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Timmy and Kenneth. I don't know what Timmy is. Timmy and Kenneth. Happy birthday to you. We got that authorized hydration, baby. It is looking good. Patch. Oh, and you know what? Forgot about Tim's birthday present. He's not even in here right now, but... Thank you very much for the King Turkey and the birthday wishes to both Kenneth and Tim. Absolutely love it, man. What do we have here? What do we have here? What do we have here? We've got Mr. Brian. Thank you very much for following the Twitch account over there, guys. If you want, please go ahead and follow the Twitch as well. I'm going to try multi-streaming this month and see if it does anything to bring in some more numbers or anything like that. So please, and thank you in advance. Michael Allen! Blaze is Crypto King's attempt to burn Shib. God, this I did not know. Gotcha. Alright, I did not know it was Crypto King's attempt to burn Shiba Inu coin. Now, I gotta look into this token a little bit more seriously. But hey, dude, he burned $20,000 worth yesterday. So, congratulations on that one. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. I love it. Michael Allen, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate it, dude. Now I gotta look into Crypto King a little bit more. I did not know that Crypto King started that token out there. I don't know how I really feel about that, but nonetheless. Very cool. Voyager payout. How to calculate, take your gifted deposit of X, divide by 0, multiply by 0 equals 0 funds return. Oh my god. John J, it better be more than 0. Dark Bro! The Dark Bro eulogy will read, he waited for the price entry. I love it. He waited for the price entry, and he never, ever got it. That would be like me, Dark Bro, waiting for the perfect price to come in, and this is a double whammy, man. Straight through Streamlabs is a thank you, Dark Bro, for the mustache. And guess what on top of it, because he threw a king not a king turkey, he threw a king unicorn in there, so... Nah, dude, we're gonna forget that one. I tried to do a king unicorn with the mustache going on, and I don't know if that's doable, man. I don't know if that's doable. Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for the super chat. Absolutely love. And the fact that you went directly through Streamlabs. Really appreciate it. Luna Classic, LUNC to $1 USTC repeg, a vote passed. Pharaoh, it did, my friend. Now the work begins. We got to get centralized exchanges on board with being able to dynamically add fees to repeg USTC to $1. Now the difficulty begins. Good idea, Tony D. Didn't know what he said. Oh, about the in case he dies, right? My Bluetooth is cranking, and dudes are like, WTF. You know what? Shout out to all of Tony D's friends right now, man. Seriously, you know, if you listen to this stuff while you're out there working and having fun, one, know that Tony D is awesome. Two, know that you too could be awesome if you join the live stream right now and hang out. Hey, at least click that subscribe button, right? Shoot, man, I might even send Tony D a shirt if all of you guys go click the subscribe button right now. I love the haircut, my brother. God bless and much, much love. Owning the float. Thank you very much. Cut the hair on... when did I cut my hair? Was it Saturday or Sunday? I don't know if I cut my hair on Saturday or Sunday. I think it might have been... It could have been Saturday after I recorded my videos. Could have been Sunday. It was Saturday, because I did a lot on Saturday. I mowed the lawn and then came in and, well, I mowed the lawn, then I mulched, and then came in and cut my hair. So it was Saturday that I did a lot. Burritos from the Pikachu! Thank you very much to the super chat. Pikachu says, we got a cake. What is this, a unicorn cake? Oh, a unicake. With love... Hold on, a unicake. I don't even know what that means. With love, you're from your friend, Peter Chu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kenneth and Tim. Happy birthday to you. Peter Chu, thank you very much. And listen, the more I say it, the more I like it, Peter Chu. I don't know. The more I say it, the more I like it. It's our birthday month, bro. 34 looks so good. Caesar, absolutely. We were talking about that yesterday, man. We said who's all got birthdays in May. Frank's got a birthday in May. Me and you got a birthday in May. Tim and Kenneth have a birthday today. Was it Kalani or who? No, Kalani already had his birthday. Kalani's birthday was last month or March. Somebody else told me that they've got a birthday coming up soon. And I don't know who it was. I don't know. Somebody else said they got one. Give bro a like, bros. Listen to Lisbon and click that like button. What's up, Clay, bro? What's going on, Southpaw Sling? How you doing? Clay, have you ever done any videos on the Chronos chain? Just curious. If not, is that something... Yeah, so it's definitely something I would consider. I've never done any videos on the Chronos chain. Clearly, I would have to feel like I know a little bit more about it or look into it a little bit more. No, I have not done it, but definitely not something I'm opposed to doing. Dude, right now, I'm telling you, with views as low as they are, I'm willing to do videos on anything, man. I'm willing to do videos on anything, just to let you guys know. I do. The famous one's got another birthday in May. 21st, Lisbon's got a birthday. My gosh, dude, you guys all got birthdays in May, man. Blaze Burns Weekly. Peter, very nice. Dude, if we are burning 2 billion coins a week, that is going to be sick. I gotta look up Blaze now. I want to know how much Crypto King's making on Blaze, how much that tax is going to the developer's wallet there. Frank1, thank you very much for 20 months of bro, dude. I love it. Long-term retirement portfolio, big move, baby. Swapped out ZOM at 1.5% profit for BP. $650 got me 17.7 shares with about 8,000 less needed for cover calls. Annual portfolio dividend is up to $1,011.83. Dude, Frank, man, you're sitting on roughly like an 8 or 9% annual dividend there. That is solid on an overall portfolio, man. I'm telling you right now, that is solid on an overall portfolio. So congratulations on that. You are definitely doing very well. That money's just going to stack up passively, man. It's just going to stack up. Gemini here. Me too, Tony D. Keep up the good work, bro. Can you look at Augie? Is it Augie? Or is it Froggy? What are we looking at? Augie? Let's try it. Off Twitter over to Augie Inu, ladies and gentlemen. Augie Inu down 10% today. It is a Binance Smart Chain coin. One thing that I like is that it is Certic audited. Has a $15 million market cap, so it's definitely not a small coin. How long has it been out? It's been out for a while, okay, a month, and it has done very well as well. Going from way too many zeros. 10-15xing, just like this is, gosh, dude. Look, this action is just like Jerry. 15xing in value, and maybe look at this over the last month here. Look at this over the last couple of days. Maybe bouncing back up and going to attempt some newer highs. So what I think is happening, dude, is the very similar action to what was happening in 2021. Memes are running. Augie Inu. What the heck is Augie Inu? But it's up 15x in value. I believe that this is the same way Shiba Inu coin and Doge were taking everything along with them. We are seeing Pepe take everything along with it right now. So it is down 10% today. Yes. Is it a dip buying opportunity? I don't know, man. I don't, these dips, they could go right back down and they could go to nothing. So please, if you're taking a risk on it, just know that it's a risk. But nonetheless, dude, I think we're seeing some meme action very similar to what we saw in 2021 right now. And it is beautiful, dude. Sky's friend Choo Choo! Sky's Stonify's friend Choo Choo, man. You guys get all the friends out there. I love it. Sky's friend Choo Choo says, hi. Hi. Well, you know what? Sky's friend Choo Choo. I don't know if you guys are just making up names or who's out there doing what right now. One, Sky's friend Choo Choo, if you are truly Sky Stonify's friend and new to the chat here, welcome. Number two, if you are just somebody making up the name, Sky's friend Choo Choo, who are you? I want to know who you are. We will get to the bottom of this. Promise, we're going to figure out who you are. Sky's friend Choo Choo, thank you very much. What's the progress on Brocoin? It's still in the developmental stages, man, and I'll tell you right now, if there's any wheels turning up here, they're turning slow on Brocoin. Now is, however, the time to come up with a meme coin like Brocoin, because it would be running. So, look, guys, I think there's a chance, maybe just a chance, that we just straight meme it. Just straight meme it with a guaranteed, no rug pull, okay? Straight, maybe that's the best utility that it's got. It's a meme with a guaranteed no rug pull. I mean, I don't even know, dude. Even if I got to sign, a no rug pull contract, it would tell you guys you could take all the liquidity from me if I rug pull it. Whatever you got to do. A guaranteed no rug pull from the owner meme coin could see a lot of traction. So I mean, I don't know. I think meme coins are better than utility coins right now, because I really don't see how the SEC could come after a coin with zero utility. I'll even put on the website, do not expect profit from Brocoin. Hey man, in there, nobody could have a reasonable expectation of profit. The SEC would not be able to come after you at all with zero expectation of profit. Complete meme. Nobody's sitting there working to turn a value for anybody else. SEC can, well, you guys know what they can do. I think BNB chain is way better for memes. Very cheap transactions. Crypto Dreamer, they are very cheap, dude. Yeah, and they are much better for lower price coins and people who don't want to go out there and drop $20, $30 on gas fees every day. Does Pepe Crypto have a burn mechanism? No. Jam's channel, I believe that Pepe has no fees whatsoever. So, no burn mechanism. We've looked it up before. I don't think there's any fees at all. Or no taxes at all. Now, that doesn't mean that somebody can't build a coin around Pepe and burn it. Let's see here. No taxes. No bull. It's that simple, man. So, no, Pepe does not have a burn tax or anything associated with it. Unless people come in and are willing to burn it themselves or build a business around Pepe, burning Pepe, it's not going to be burning itself. So, that's what you got going on with Pepe, dude, is that there's no burn tax associated with it. Thanks, Clay. Nugro, absolutely, man. LUNC sucks hard now. Yeah, Shan, man. Shan, however you say your name, sorry about that. Any coin that's not moving up in direction, it's going to be perceived bad. Especially when you've got other little coins like this that are running and providing astronomical gains like Pepe's doing. Does LUNC actually suck? I mean, it's still a layer 1 blockchain. It's still got a lot of potential, but it doesn't have the hype, the excitement, the FOMO, the allure that it had last year. So in that aspect, it sucks, yes, but what it is doesn't necessarily suck. Hi, Choo Choo. Kobu's friend, I like it. I buy everything I can on BNB because Ethereum is outrageous. It is, dude. How about we make our own coin? Let's name it Flash or Superman. Let's become millionaires. I mean, look at Pepe. Probably somebody made it while he's sitting on the toilet. Yeah, K King, man. Which is, look, I would do a bro coin, right? I would have no problem doing some sort of a bro coin. Honestly, you could call it whatever you want, and I don't care if you call it Flash or Superman. The name doesn't matter, dude. What I think matters is, especially in these littler coins, okay, no chance for a rug pull. No chance to kind of get screwed by the guy that's starting it or whatever. I go out there. Maybe we all go out there and you guys, come on, let me buy a little bit. Maybe I get 1%, and then everybody else that's willing to pick some up can pick up whatever they want to as well. But fair launch, nobody gets any tokens. You just go out there and buy it. If you want to buy it early, okay. If you want to buy it late, you're going to be getting in a little higher price. But, I think a fair launch is the way to go so that the SEC can't say that you're out there and bringing in money from anything other than the price of the coin moving higher. Clearly listed that you shouldn't expect any profits from this coin. It is a meme coin, 100% speculative in nature, and, so on. I don't think that it would be that bad of an idea to do, especially while people are hyped up about meme coins. The concern is, well, if Pepe starts to dump, or if these meme coins kind of fade out pretty quick, then the rest of the meme coin market could fade out pretty quick, and you see guys, drop it back off for BNB or drop it back off for Ethereum or whatever there. Clay, Bitcoin analysis, Dino TP. Let's take a look at it. We need Kenneth to do a bro coin. Yes, we do need Kenneth to do a bro coin. Where you at, Kenneth? Come on now. I'm going to ask ChatGPT how to build a meme coin. Yeah, Mr. Brian, it is fairly simple. So, you can go out and you can create a BNB coin very easily, an ERC20, a BEP20 coin, or an ERC20 coin, fairly simply. Adding it to a liquidity pool and all of that stuff is a few extra steps. But yeah, it's very simple to make one. No burn tax, contract renounced, all of that stuff. It's just in existence. Send 100% to the liquidity pool or whatever, and move on with it. Maybe keep 1% back for marketing so that I can talk about it, and that's the marketing for it. You guys know the deal. Let's see. Choo-choo's friend, Michael. Choo-choo's, man, we got so many friends of friends in here right now. Choo-choo's friend, Michael. Thank you very much for the fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. We got Choo-choo's friend, Michael, in the chat. We've got Michael's, who's Michael's friend? Ooh, now I don't even know. We got Sky's friend, Choo-choo. Choo-choo's friend, Michael. Michael's friend, I don't know. But Choo-choo, Peter Choo, is Burrito's friend. My God, there's so many friends of friends in here right now. It's a beautiful day. I love it. Shiba Army and Michael, thank you very much. Choo-choo's friend. I just need to know who Michael's friend is now. Pepe was a cartoon character. Yeah, what cartoon, though? That's the thing. I don't know what cartoon that is. Is it like a normal cartoon, or what did I miss? Is it wrong to buy a $900 EBT card for $400 cash, asking for a friend? People are standing outside of the grocery store telling people who are walking in, I need $400 cash. I'll buy you $900. Dude, if you're asking me, here's the thing. Gosh, dude. I didn't listen. I don't think it's wrong. I think it's wrong that they're getting $900 worth of groceries in the first place when they want the $400 cash. So I think it's wrong that what they're doing, not necessarily the person that would be buying it. I think that the person selling $900 worth of, taxpayers' subsidies for $400 is bad. But no, dude, you probably paid the extra $500 already in your taxes to go to that EBT. So I don't think it's wrong to buy it. I do think it's wrong to sell it because you know where that money's coming from. Michael's Pancake! Thank you very much for the no ignore. I will never ignore you, Michael's Pancake. You guys are coming up with the most crazy names, man. I don't know who Michael's Pancake is, but I like it. And Michael, hopefully you like it as well, man. Michael's Pancake, thank you very much. A bro coin gas fee can be paid with a clay from the earth token. Dang, dude. Yes, it can, man. If we make our own layer 2 blockchain, we could have clay from the earth token to pay the bro coin gas fee. Dang, dude. Pat is thinking on this one, man. Pat is definitely thinking on this one. Michael's Pancake, thank you. Choo Choo's friend, Michael, thank you. Sky's friend, Choo Choo, thank you. Everybody's friend of everybody, thank you for the Streamlabs Super Chats, man. Fiat launch, renounced contract. ETC, no rug pulls equals FOMO. Yeah, true though. I mean, I think you would have some FOMO in there. Yeah, fair launch, renounced contract. Yeah, etc. No rug pulls. I guarantee it leaves it with FOMO. So you just got to get in, man. You got to make sure you get in. And then the most beautiful part would be how fast you would see gains if people were unwilling to sell. So if you think about it, right? If a bro coin launch were to take place and you did go in there and let me just show you. I'll give you an example too. If you announced it on the YouTube channel or whatever, and the 52 of you guys jumped in, and people were actually willing to hold, the price would move up so stinking fast in something like Brocoin, but you would be tempted to sell it because you'd probably be sitting and seeing like 10,000x gains pretty soon. If you look at any of these pairs here, right? Oh my gosh, we got another one. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt, thank you very much for the no ignore, never ignore. I see without seeing. To me, darkness is as clear as daylight. What am I? I see without seeing. To me, darkness is as clear as daylight. I don't know. Is this like a legitimate riddle? I see without seeing. To me, darkness is as clear as daylight. I see without seeing. To me, darkness is as clear as daylight. Yes, I did, Dino. I did forget to do that. I'm going to try to do that in 2 seconds. Without seeing, to me, dark. I don't know the answer to that. What is the answer? I don't know the answer to that. Now you're going to have to rack me all day on this. When will I have a board seat at Claybro LLC? Stopping in to get my affairs in order. Rocket, thank you very much for the Super Chat. Rocket, how you doing, man? So glad to have you in here. Dude, you want a seat on the board of directors? You've got a seat on the board of directors, Rocket. It's as easy as that, man. What do you have to do? All you got to do is ask. Ask and you shall receive, my man. Rocket, you got a seat on the board of directors. And we got Michael's Pancakes friend, Sal. We got so many friends in here. I love it. Sal, thank you very much for the no ignore. Thank you very much for being Michael's Pancakes friend. Sal, he needed a friend. Now I want to know who Sal's friend is. And you guys are coming up with some very beautiful names. I like it, man. Michael's friend, Sal. Michael's Pancakes friend, Sal. Thank you. Because Michael, I don't know if Michael's got a friend or not. And Private Chef Cooking Mama's Boy, one and only son. Thank you very much for clicking the subscribe button on the channel. I appreciate it. I don't know if you're in here right now, but I do thank you. What's Clay's YouTube on BS? Didn't even get a... Juan, I'm telling you right now, I don't think that YouTube has been sending out notifications for a long time, and I think that YouTube has been unsubscribing people. That's not me being paranoid. That's me looking at the numbers. I truly think that YouTube is either going through like a testing phase. If you want to do it, we're not going to help you at all right now. In fact, we're going to make it very difficult for you, or what their deal is. But it has been very strange lately. So... So, yeah, dude, I have no doubt in my mind that you did not get a notification. Really appreciate you being in here, man, despite not getting a notification. A bat. A bat. Is that what it is? Is that what it is? I see without seeing. To me, darkness is as clear as daylight. What am I? A bat. Oh, my God. Is it true? Is that like a Batman quote or something that I don't know about? Or is because that it would work. It would work. Warren Buffett is trimming his Apple position. Well, don't worry. Jerome Powell's going to be trimming everybody's Apple position here in about an hour and a half. So everybody's Apple position is going to get trimmed in terms of U.S. dollars in about an hour and a half. Not just Warren Buffett's, man. Pepe, is it max hype? Be careful. Yeah, ape love ape, man. That's a good warning to everybody. I do think that everybody should be careful. I mean, I really do. But very difficult to determine max hype as well, though. BP makes over 5% of the long-term retirement portfolio with over 4% dividend. Very nice. It just fits the long-term retirement portfolio better than Zama this time, especially since they should be done paying for the Coast spill-off. Oh my gosh, and off-record earnings. That took them a long time, didn't it? I forgot about the BP oil spill. Holy crap. That took a very long time. Be yourself. Yes. Be yourself, guys. Please do be yourself. Let's go. Market is going to be Mortal Kombat Armageddon Edition in about an hour and a half. Yes, it is. Sal's friend, pinkies up. Sal's friend, pinkies up, ladies and gentlemen. You know what time it is. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Thank you very much, Sal's friend, pinkies up. Time to get hard like a diamond, baby. Oh, yeah. Sal's friend, thank you very much. Are you going to go live for the FOMC meeting? Tony, let me say this. It does depend. If I am home, yes. I may help my mom this afternoon, so I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be home. I will stream Jerome Powell talking if I am home, or if I can somehow get back home. Because by the time he closes out at 3 o'clock, he's going to play that music, and then they're going to hit me with a demonetization thing on that stupid live. I guess I could just not monetize that live or something. I don't know, man. I do think that I may try to stream it either way, but I don't know. It depends if I'm home, because I don't want to get hit with no stupid demonetization claims for that dumb elevator music that they're guaranteed to play after he is done talking. If I'm not home. If I'm home, I can shut it off. Clay, for the same room, and I had an itch in the middle of my back. Would you scratch it for me? Given I had short and stubby arms and only had 2 minutes to eat my ham sandwich before school. Ape. Yeah, dude, if you're, like, as long as you're wearing a shirt, dude, I'll scratch your back, dude. If you're, like, not wearing a shirt or something, I don't know. I don't want to get your dead skin cells under my fingernails or anything weird. But I guess if we're like really good friends, yeah. If it's just you and me hanging out and I didn't know you, no, I probably wouldn't scratch your bare back. But yeah, dude, I'd scratch your back for sure. Nonetheless, I wanted to go look at this just real quick to show you guys. Golly bum, look at all these rug pulls here. My goodness. All right, Jay Powell, ladies and gentlemen, Jay Powell. Going to be talking here pretty soon. But could you imagine, this is a 2-hour chart. Let's look at a one, it's been off for a couple hours. Let's look at a 5, 1 minute's going to be fine here. 1 minute chart on Jay Powell. All right, Jay Powell doing very well to go 0.019 to 0.003. This is like a 20x gain, 10x gain to 20x gain that we saw on Jay Powell in 20 minutes. Then people begin to sell off. Look at the transactions here, okay? And you can go all the way out to page 345 if you want. So some of the beginning transactions are all buys, okay? All buys coming in on Jay Powell. And then people just, they can't take it anymore. They 20x to their stupid money, and then they got to come in and sell. Could you just imagine how high of gains you would see if you truly trusted the project to continue going up and not, because you never know if these are going to be rugs or not, right? You never know if these coins are going to be rugs or not. And that's one of the reasons people sell. They see a nice gain very quickly, and then they want to get out before it gets rugged. Dude, could you imagine if you didn't see any sells? Just maybe a 1-2 people that couldn't handle it and they needed to sell or whatever. Could you imagine where the price would go if the bros really did come in, buy, with the intentions to hold, and even if your intentions were only to ever be bro whales and be sitting on $1 million of bro one day and not worry about any of the price action in the meantime. Dude, if it didn't have those ridiculous sells, and dude, J Powell actually doing really nice over the last minute there that we looked at it. Could you just imagine what that would turn in there? P2P! What's up, P2P in the chat? Pika, how are you doing? Boom to the moon, baby. Not financial advice. Never. What is that? A JP coin? Tony D. Don't seem to be a JP coin, man. I just randomly clicked on it over on Dex Tools, and it's been doing pretty well over the last 2 minutes here. It's been garnering a lot of buys once again. People coming in, buying, and just since we clicked on it, going from 001 to 002, doubling in price over the last 2 minutes here. But nonetheless, like the entire idea is that we looked through and you see all of these sells right here coming 20-30 minutes after the coin was created. If you didn't have this amount of sells, and people were truly confident in the coin, dude, it would just go through the stinking roof, man. It would go through the roof. I'm all in on Brocoin. Let's FOMO together, baby. Let's get started. There should, dude, even if there's like a limit, like, okay, let's all make an unbinding agreement not to sell until Brocoin hits a $500 million market cap. If that was the case, you know, there would be people that sold it beforehand. But there would probably be a massive sell-off at $500 million if it ever got there. But no, dude, I think if you really had something that you didn't run the risk of getting rugged, the only risk is that people just don't believe in it. They don't want to buy it. You know what I mean? Like, that's the risk. You know, maybe Tony D comes out there, and he's like, I want to sell, dude. I tripled my money. I'm going to sell on bro right now and sell it out from under. Well, that, you know, that's a risk right there, too. So that is something that people would need to think about. Peter of Banfield, I like it. Peter Pikachu, what's going on? Da Vinci J15 and the Carl Moon have been talking about Pepe this month, dude. Yeah, Joshua. Me too, man. Pepe has been gathering a lot of attention, and you can see that it is still Dex Tools like number one. Hold on, let it scroll across the screen. You can see him scrolling across the screen up here, right? Pepe, the number one hot pair, I imagine, as it comes up. Yeah, Pepe is still the number one hot pair. Pepe is, this is a 1 minute graph. Let's look at a daily graph here. Pepe on the, oh, come on. Oh, that's still J Powell. What the heck, man? I was supposed to bring up Pepe. Yeah, there you go. Pepe on the daily, pulling back a little bit from where it was yesterday, sitting at 6 zeros and a 95 right now. It was at five zeros and a 16, but down to 6 zeros and a 95 at the moment. So it is pulling back pretty decent, and people are taking their profit. But nonetheless, man, it's sitting on a $400 million market cap right now, and people are still hyped about it. Bitcoin, yes, right before we leave, guys, let's look at Bitcoin real quick. And you can get your names in the chat if you would like, because it is 1 o'clock. But Bitcoin, highly going to be dependent on Jerome Powell today. So what I am seeing right here is a very short-term wedge that's going into today's decision. So we got some lower highs being hit and some higher lows being hit. And you can see this area consolidating right into here. We got the lower highs, you've got the higher lows. We're still in between this trend line of 29,000 and 27,000 here. So we're still channeling, absolutely. But I think we got the consolidation, and we might be consolidating for just one more hour. Guys, at 2 p.m. in 1 hour from now, we are going to have Jerome Powell's interest rate decision. And then in an hour and a half, Jerome Powell's going to take the stand, and he's going to answer a bunch of questions. Hopefully, it's good news, okay? I am not playing options today. But if you guys want to play some options, there should be some big swings. There typically is every 6 weeks on the interest rate decision. And just, do so accordingly. If you buy a call option in the QQQ or SPY or whatever you're planning on, tanks, well, of course, you're going to be losing 100%. If you buy a put option and it soars, of course, you're going to be losing 100% of that trade. The crazy thing is, though, okay, on days like today, these options are more volatile than the memeiest of meme coins. The QQQ today, you might see options on the QQQ, put options, let's say things go down. QQQ may drop from 320 down to 310. And if that's the case, let's look at the QQQ real quick. These premiums are still probably elevated a little bit due to the fact that the volatility is up there. But these 2-cent options, okay? These 2-cent options, if it really drops that far, you might be better off with the 311s or 312s. But these 2 to 3 cent options could absolutely, if the QQQ drops to 308 today, these 2-cent options are going to go to $2 per share. So if you do see a huge swing, you could easily 100x your money playing options. But please know, if it just goes the opposite direction, you are going to lose on your trade. Most likely 100%. So just be careful if you guys are playing that. Jerome Powell going to be talking in about an hour and a half. Guys, the interest rate decision comes out in an hour. We got the names. We're taking off. We will be back this afternoon, man. We've got Dino TP. Enjoy your day, man. Richard, thank you very much. Dark Pro. And if you guys would, if you have a Twitch account, please click the link at the top of the screen. Follow the Twitch account as well. I think if you get 50 followers, they can throw some ads on the Twitch thing. I don't plan on exclusively doing Twitch or anything, but I do want to start multi-streaming to bring more people in and increase the bro fam a little bit. Samurai Banana! Thank you very much, Samurai Banana, whoever the heck that is. We gotta... Oh, it's not a hydration. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ken Bro. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ken Bro. Happy birthday to Tim as well, since it's his birthday. And Samurai Banana, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love it. Pika, shout out to you. Peter, shout out to you. Joshua, enjoy your day, man. The famous ones, Kombu, Tony D, Old Rounder, bro. Enjoy it. Caesar, man. See you later. We got Pat. See you later. Peace out to you. Pika Power. Joshua, J-Bones, Richard, Wayngro. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.